So I'm about to be late for work, so I need to hurry. I don't want to scare this old guy. But it's time to go. Here we go. It is it is a very beautiful day today, and I am very much ready to ride. I did not know if my GoPro was going to pick up any good footage. This was very last minute, strapping on my helmet again because I really wanted to record again. Oh my god, this guy's going really fucking slow. Or maybe I just want to go fast. I don't know. I think it's both. But yeah, I just kind of fucking I was missing one of my arms because I had thrown it on my dirt bike helmet and it wasn't really working out how I wanted it to on there, so I took an arm off and I forgot it at the place I was staying at. So now I'm an arm short. And it's not really like, I don't know, I have it like upside down at some weird ass fucking angle right now. Most definitely going to be late for work though. Unless I hit every light and there's no traffic at all and I can just fucking rocket there. So I did a whole ass tune-up on this bike, and it feels good. The tune-up definitely helped. I can tell with power. I replaced all the spark plugs. That'd be stupid if I did just like two. Let's go to that one. Usually I can split through the left right there. If this light looks like it's gonna take a minute, but it looks like it's gonna be pretty quick. Hold your fucking horses, bitch. There's a fucking crosswalk right here. It sounds good. I definitely need to get the valves done though, and I hated that, but you know, it be how it be. But let's oh, there we go. So what did I do yesterday? Well, actually it took me 2 days because I got fucking stuck on the spark plugs for a minute because god damn. So I did my spark plugs when okay, it's been a minute since I've uploaded and I go through bikes pretty quick. More like I just kind of, not really, this is only my third bike, but that's because the Sumo burned oil like there was no fucking tomorrow, and I needed to get the valves done on it. I really did not want to do valves on a KTM because that is expensive. Wait a minute, street name. Anyways, so I got an R1 and same problem, the valves, and I actually needed more than just valves, but that thing was all fucking tracked out and it was really fun to ride. But my bud was like, hey man, I'll give you my CBR for that R1. I'm like, bet. So now I have a CBR, and I like the CBR. It's a 600. I had a 1000 for a minute, you all know. And with the track gearing on the 1000, it's slower than the 600, so, and I could handle both of them pretty damn easy. Everyone was like, don't get a 1000, you're gonna fucking crash. No, it was really easy to ride because it was tracked out. I bet you a stock 1000 would be a completely different story, but who knows. Time to go to work. second. Anyways, it feels a lot quicker. Fuck it. I'm just gonna slow down after that. It feels faster when I did the spark plugs acceleration wise, because the other ones were fucked. They were hell old. I think they were OEM. Or not OEM, I mean, I guess you could say OEM, but I think they were the ones that were originally in the bike when it fucking was, you know, built. I don't think they've ever been changed. It was a Ninja. It's kind of an ugly Ninja. I don't like Ninjas. This helmet's giving me hot spots. I don't know why. It normally hasn't. I hate this helmet though. I'm gonna get a new one soon. This bike's kind of loud on the freeway. The exhaust is like quiet, and then right at a certain RPM it's hella loud. And why do you have to get over it? This helmet's uncomfortable as fuck. I need to get a new one really bad. It's killing my head right now. I don't know why. I got 4 minutes to be at work and I'm about 15 minutes away. Killing my head. I think what's happening is the helmet's getting drugged down by the GoPro and it's pushing on my skull a little hard in one spot. This GoPro, now I need to drill some holes through it. Make it better for when. God damn it. I need to get past this Harley guy and I already know what's gonna happen. This Harley guy is gonna be going to fucking cycle gear, which is where I work. He's gonna show up and be like, hey motherfucker, you disrespected a 20-year Harley ride. Like, bitch, I don't give a fuck how many years you've been riding. Your Harley's gay and you need to get a fast bike. No, I'm just kidding. That probably would piss off so many Harley riders if I said that to them at work. Oh my god, I'd probably get throat kicked. No, don't disrespect the Harley riders. Your bikes are just slow. Nah, I don't want to hear no shit. Oh, my bike's probably faster. No, it's not. Shut up. Harleys can be cool. They can be cool. In fact, I want a couple of them. I like them. I just don't like the abnormally fucking huge Harleys. Not my style. You can have it. I can't rock it like you guys can. So why should I get one? I'll just raise the price because I'm another buyer. So I'll let you guys have the fun on those big giant yachts of yours. How the fuck did I even get talking about this? Knack. Oh yeah, I can't pass this guy because he's gonna get mad. Yeah, he's gonna go on a cycle and be like, hey, fuck face, I'll eat your ass, bro. What the hell is that about? I'll be like, why the fuck is my Fahrenheit climbing so hard? Oh, went back down. Okay, works for me. Shit, I'm about to make it on time. I don't know how. It's just like a 20-minute ride. I had like 8 minutes to go. I mean, I was going fucking fast as hell for about 10 seconds, but that's about 10 seconds, not the whole time. I mean, I've been kind of hauling ass this entire time, but as fast as I could go. It's not like I would have been limited in my car. I'd be right here anyways. I gotta get over. Alright, we're gonna go for the Harley pass. See you later, Harley guy. Is that a Harley? It's a boulevard. What the fuck is a boulevard? I've never even heard of one of those. And I'm in the loop. I guess I'm not. I thought I was in the loop. I work in a motorcycle shop. There's a motorcycle fucking actual shop behind me, a mechanic shop. I never seen a fucking boulevard. I wonder if they're nice. I bet you it's probably like a, what's the word? Like a Toyota and a Scion, or like a Nissan and an Infiniti, you know, Mazda and Ford. It's probably like one of those types of fucking bikes where it's like it's actually a Harley, or actually it's an Indian, but they were too scared to say that they're an Indian or a Harley because they didn't want to destroy their reputation, so they made it a different name. Okay, big dog, I see you over here. Big moves from the big Blazer boy. Oh, there goes Harley boy. Alright, you're gonna get over here. He's gonna get really far over. I don't trust fucking any of you. My tire feels weird. I just patched it, and I really hope it's not flat. I really hope it's just me. But it really feels really weird right now. It might just be me though. I don't like it. Oh my god. I'm almost there. Don't go flat on me right now. Is it going flat? I can't. It looks good. Oh shit. I gotta slow down. Ah! I see. I would have known right there if it was going flat. Here we go again. Oh god, what a, just ruin a Tacoma like that. From New Mexico, of course. San Jose is the New Mexico. And I don't mean anything bad by that, by the way. I'm just saying there is a lot of I almost said Mexican. I guess you could say Mexican. I'm gonna say Hispanic to sound more proper, but I guess they are Mexican because Mexican. I'm not talking Spanish because that would be like Spain or anything, you know, some things in Europe. Just go, bitch. Go. God damn. No, the tire's not flat, by the way. I could tell right there. It definitely had a nice crunch. Holy fuck, I made it on time. No. Jesus Christ. How did I make it on time? They're gonna make fun of me for my helmet setup right now. Why is Dom here? I didn't know Dom worked today. I know Josh worked, but not Dom. Anyways, thank you for watching.